I made a video on Google Wallet, but that video is outdated now. Here's an updated how to use Google Wallet. So let's begin. Open the app. For the first time, you might need to sign in to your Google account. Mine is already signed. Also, you won't have those passes. We'll cover that soon. On this interface, you'll notice an Add Payment Card button. If not, tap this plus icon to add a new payment card. Pick the top payment card option. On the next screen, you will have a button to add a new card. I also have those cards below. Some are from my previous wallet and some are saved to my Google account. We can quickly pick one and verify. Tap here to see the supported banks and cards in your country. I'll add a new card by tapping here. There are 3 ways to add a card to Google Wallet. Depending on your area and card, you will have 1, 2 or all 3. The first method is scanning the card by tapping here. The camera will open. We just need to show the card to the camera. The details are copied automatically. The second, which for some reason did not work for me, is tapping the card on the back of your phone. If your card supports tap to pay, Google Wallet should pick the card details. The last option, which is kind of universal, is adding the details manually. Let's do that. I'll insert my card details. In some cases, we need to insert our address. My old address is here, so I'll update it. Once done, click Save and Continue. The next are terms and conditions. Tap More and then Accept. We must verify this card to use it. That will be our next step. Depending on your card and issuer, you will have one or multiple methods to verify. Also, the number that you see here is from your card issuer. It's not your Google account number. So if you see a different one or your old one, you must contact your bank to have it updated before proceeding further. I'll pick the SMS code method. When you get the code on your phone, just paste it in here and tap the Continue button. The last step is to make Google Wallet the default payment app. If it's not, you'll see this screen. Tap Set as Default. Then tap Replace if asked. Tap OK. The card has been added. We can add another card the same way. It's time to use Google Wallet to pay for stuff. When you see the payment on the terminal, open Google Wallet. If Google Wallet is the default payment app on your phone, you don't need to even open it. Over here, pick the card and then just tap your phone on that terminal like this. You'll hear a beep and notice a check mark. That means that the information has been processed. In a couple of seconds, the terminal will say payment complete or something similar showing that the payment has been processed. That's all. It's been paid. If you tap a card and then go to its settings, you'll notice 2 card numbers. The top is the original number. The other one is the virtual card number. Google Wallet gives your card this number to protect your privacy. When you pay using Google Wallet, you will see this number on the receipts. When you make a purchase, Google Wallet will store those transactions. Tap a card to see the recent purchases. Open one to see the complete transaction data. We can add gift and loyalty cards to Google Wallet. Tap the plus icon and then choose the option. Depending on the selected category, you'll see brands. For example, I'll pick Maya. Just like the payment card, show the loyalty card's barcode to add it. For gift cards, you will have the option to add the gift card's number and stuff. Once added, we can open the card from the main screen to use it in store. Google Wallet supports transport passes. It supports limited options, but all are here. Also, many transport services now support credit cards, so you can use one of the cards as a transport pass and pay for your trip. Boarding passes and event tickets are added through emails and websites. When you see an Add to Wallet button, just tap on it. Then we can use it to scan. For example, these are my expired boarding passes, but I can still open them in the app. Google Wallet, or I should say Google Pay, can be used on websites and in the apps. Whenever you see a Google Pay option on the checkout page, tap on it. Then tap this Buy button. A new screen will open showing your Google account and payment card. If everything's good, tap the Continue button. Here we go. The payment has gone through. Great. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Take care.